देख रहे हो? उधर कैमरा.
So why are we here?
काम करके एक try
So why are we
करके,
here?
So why are we here?
You guys are here to what?
मैं तो एक
तो
ही चीज
फ्री
कह
का
रहा
खाना
हूँ।
खाने आई हूँ.
मैं 2
Okay.
हफ्तों से रुका हुआ ये स्नैक्स खाने के लिए क्योंकि
Yes, so
ये-
we went to Japan. We both went to Japan, and this girl is going to try some nice munchings with us. And we are not open, so let's open and taste and rate if how we like them.
finally yes.
Finally, yay!
Yay.
So let's start with the most famous, that is matcha Kit Kat. Everyone loves it. My favorite. I don't think so. He's much of a matcha fan, but we have them. So each one of us get one.
All right.
I like matcha.
We just have to eat and then give the rating.
Of course, without eating,
Cheers.
what will you?
Cheers.
Just to our first
Kanpai. Kanpai. It's Japan.
Kanpai.
Papa.
I really like it.
I told you right. It's not like it's just because it's matcha, but
But I like matcha.
But I like it. How did you like as compared to normal chocolate Kit Kat you've eaten?
I
You did
would,
like it.
I would
दूसरी
rate.
खाओ नहीं खाओ.
I would rate maybe 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
How much will you rate?
5.
Guys, you're not piping with me. 8 on 10.
So decent. She just had one bite. We've had all the whole chocolate.
I had
Because
the
there
whole
is
thing,
so
even
much
though I
to
didn't like
eat.
it. that much.
There's- Someone is on diet. FYI, just so you know.
Yeah.
Next we have Sakura Kit Kat.
Okay.
Okay.
Sakura.
Sakura, yeah. So these have Sakura flavors.
Just open
I
one.
think
we'll
yeah.
check again.
That's
Kanpai.
sure.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
It is sweet. Of course, chocolate.
Something different, no?
Mm.
But,
Vanilla. Vanilla with some different kind of
It's more of white chocolate. I am not that of a big fan.
The
I didn't like it.
aftertaste is like some Indian sweet that we have.
Some spice.
And it's too sweet actually.
Yeah.
Mm.
I like
Not
it.
good earlier. Okay, yeah. The
Rating?
rating. How much will you
5.
तो खा गई.
rate?
I would say 5.
I'll go with 4.
I'll go with 6.
4. We are rating out of 10. Right?
Yeah.
I think 6.
Okay.
6 because it had vanilla. Like milk.
I'm not a
chocolate.
vanilla
I love
fan.
milk.
So if you're a vanilla fan, maybe you like it because it's more on the milk vanilla side, white chocolate side.
Yeah.
Peach Kit Kat.
Yes.
And we both will share.
Yeah.
You can share mine as well.
Peach. We can also open one.
No.
They both are not shared.
इतना sharing नहीं है.
Guys,
It's good.
You had to wait
Then-
for us.
which was
What
so
is
good.
this?
It is
Okay, hey,
so
you
good.
have to share it with us, right?
Different
Alright,
variation.
I am too excited now.
Mm.
Love it.
I would say I love it, but
It
it
is
is
very
very
different.
different.
It's very fresh.
Not
It's
bad.
very fresh. It's very peachy. So if you're a peach fan, maybe you like it.
Yeah, it's pretty good
Okay.
actually.
It's good, and aftertaste is also really good. But again, very sweet.
Just
What
for
about the
sure.
rating?
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
For me, it's 9.5
Oh,
for sure. I love
okay.
it. Yeah.
I'll give it 7 out of 10.
I love it.
I would give 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So till now, this is the best one we liked.
Yeah.
As compared to
for sure.
matcha and
Yeah.
It was just a little sweet, but it was very fresh.
yeah. And now we have Mount Fuji.
Do you guys think that we deserve one each?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, we do deserve
This
one
I
each,
think
but I
is
will
good.
share.
This is cheesecake, no?
Yeah.
Cheesecake, no?
Yes, Mount Fuji.
When you see
It's
we
blueberry
are two young
cheesecake.
person
Blueberry cheesecake.
who are blue. We are sweet tooth, no? The both of us.
We like. Okay, I'm a dark chocolate person, and I am also a sweet tooth. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that. Only desserts I taste.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay, I'm waiting for one of you
It
to
is
share.
beautiful. I love the texture.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
नहीं मैं एक चम्मच
Alright.
Okay, we're going to try.
Yes.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
It has a nice smell, okay? Blueberry smell of it.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It does have a blueberry smell. Even the peach one had a smell. Matcha did not, and the other one no.
Such a
Chocolate
nice
did not.
smell.
I like it.
It's like
Surprisingly, I
the
like it.
shisha flavor.
I was trying to
blueberry mint, you can say, right? Blueberry mint shisha flavor if you actually smoke them. If you don't, we don't smoke.
So definitely
we
some
don't
shisha
smoke.
after this.
We just know about it. We heard from it that it tastes like this.
This is really good, by the way. I really liked it so far.
Yeah, it's really nice.
In comparison to matcha, I think I really like this one.
I think I am going to rate it 9.5 for sure. Again,
Again? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I'll go with.
solid.
This is something I can just have for once. Like I cannot just continue to have it. It's not that inviting.
So?
I'll give 8.
Okay. I'll probably give 8.5. Yeah.
So next is going to be something special. If you're a Harry Potter fan, of course you're gonna like it. And that is. Ooh.
What is it?
So I don't know what this is. But so this box has a musical box. It's a musical box.
Musical cookie box. Like
Oh.
so yeah. So we can basically even store some other cookies later on, but there are some cookies already inside it. So yeah. By the way, there was a funny story behind this.
What?
So
Can you imagine?
so I obviously when I was there I went for shopping Harry Potter stuff obviously, like I was
We
everywhere.
had that.
And I yeah, so I got a lot of stuff. So this was something I already had in my cart.
Yeah.
So after some time she came to me, oh wow, this looks good, do you want it? I'm like, I already have.
Oh.
So yeah, look into this.
I think we should also show off your limited edition.
Wand, is
Wand?
it with
Yeah.
this? So this is a limited
Can
edition wand
Woo!
from Tokyo. It's the Phoenix version.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Fancy, okay.
Experience. Whoa.
So we have some instruction and then we have cookies. Okay.
Yes.
You get one for now.
Thank
You
you.
get
I
one
think
for
you should
now.
share. I think you have a symbol on your packet.
What's in this?
Oh.
Oh.
So I've got Gryffindor and you've got Slytherin. Mm.
And I am taking one more because I also want something. Gryffindor.
Oh my god, guys.
Ooh, it's so cute, right? It's a small cookie.
I am happy that I bought a packet to myself because these both would have
I
not shared.
swear.
So it
But
is
I
really-
like it. One stuff about all these snacks, like they have small packets inside all
Yeah.
of packets. They don't have everything like just open.
together and then you
So you can basically get one
And
packet
rest
and
will
you
be-
know like divide it easily and share with your friends just with
and create cute hampers, which I did not do, but okay.
All right.
Okay,
okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
A normal cookie or butter?
Butter cookie,
A
yeah.
normal butter cookie.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
A normal, a very expensive one, guy.
But it's for the vibe and
Vibe.
it's Harry Potter.
For fans, it is a very interesting
For
concept.
sure, definitely.
Rather than the snack, it's just about the vibe and the
Yeah.
emotions.
Even the place, the making of Harry Potter, oh, we had so much fun. Oh.
I am going to post a video about our Harry Potter journey. It was something really special and amazing. So don't forget to follow and subscribe.
Perfect. Alright.
Okay, so next we have. So we went to this amazing place in Northeast where very less people, I've not heard much people going, and the place name is Hokkaido. It's famous for their muskmelon production, and we got these amazing cookies from there, which we are going to taste. And these cookies we were not able to find in Tokyo or elsewhere. I'm glad we just pick up one box randomly, and now we love it. And they just had 6 cookies in one box.
So how many
Yeah.
boxes you guys got?
One of each.
But I'm telling you,
No,
these
don't have
cookies,
this.
Hokkaido.
you don't know, right?
I'm already full and I have so many snacks left.
We're
I
gonna do
already
this,
had
guys.
this.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna force this man. Relax.
Okay.
I already had it. It's awesome. So
It is. Now even I'm questioning. Should I?
Oh wow, I love it.
yeah, it's
Well, just
amazing.
remove it and show it to them. Because
It has almonds on it. It
Yes.
has sliced almonds, especially. For guys. I'm sorry.
No worries.
and they have mild cream stuff in between. So if I just break it.
Guys, we have forgotten to grate before this.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, the butter
But anyways, it was a
cookie.
normal butter cookie is fine.
It was a butter cookie.
Yeah,
So-
let's go with this. Yeah.
I love it, trust me. They're so crunchy, they're not very sweet. They're not very creamy. They're just nice, like you want more.
Give me a spoon.
Someone just got tempted.
I forgot the taste. I need to rate, right?
The fact it's not that sweet.
Exactly. All the Japanese desserts, they are not sweet,
That's the best.
but they have that perfect sweetness, like not
Except
very
Kit
sweet,
Kat.
and and they don't use sugar or anything, so that's pretty cool.
It's actually good, man. I love the
Mhm.
crunchiness with the cream coming in. It's so good.
Yeah. Actually, so
Now I think I can give a rating to it.
All right.
I think it's good. 8.5 to 9.
I would also
What about
rate
you guys?
8.
8?
8 for me. Yeah. What about you? Okay. Later finished.
Already said that it has fillings.
she already you already opened one box.
This one
right?
was already done and dusted. It was
I
just
really
trial.
liked it. I'll give it 10 on 10 because this is one of my favorite.
When we opened this, the first time she had one, and in 10 seconds, 2 more were finished. The
If you
speed
like
with
something,
which
It's worth
things
it.
were
It's
managed.
worth it. I feel like we should have golgappas in between
Yeah.
to just balance the whole
Yeah, I
taste.
think we should go with something non-sweet now.
Yeah, do we have something like?
We have something cheesy, I think, or we have sweet potato cake.
I'd really like to try that.
Sweet potato cake?
Yeah.
Alright.
Basically, shakar gandhi ka cake.
But actually, in Japan, we saw a lot of people, a lot of dessert shops serving sweet potato cake.
So it's sweet potato cake, sweet potato ice cream, sweet potato everything.
Now we know why they
Yeah.
are so healthy because they
Chips,
eat healthy.
fries, like everything.
So we have this sweet potato.
Do they have brands?
Yeah. This is one from the Supermart.
Supermart, okay.
So
Everything is written in Japanese. Just
yeah,
eat
so
it.
you need to make sure you always have Google Translator with you because that's what me and Tejas were using throughout while shopping. Not really
While
very.
talking with them, everything, because obviously
Actually,
they don't even understand English.
I think more than
well,
that, you
so-
should tell him his pudding stories. His never-ending love for the
But I
food.
think that
Again,
is-
packets. See, I told you.
See, so I really like the way they pack. Like, see, individual packing for each one.
Yeah.
So you can literally even gift it to someone, create hampers.
Yeah, a lot of hampers, like
Yeah,
with
yeah.
one of each basically, and yeah, so it's pretty good.
I think we should just open one packet for now.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, you want me to do it?
Yeah. I think after this now, we are just going to open one of each.
Yeah.
Because we already are kind of full.
I really thought that I'm going to have all of them, but
Yeah, exactly. That's why I know.
And we have not done dinner by the way.
yeah.
We thought not to have dinner because we are going to try it.
God, it looks like peda.
Okay, actually this one looks like peda, but on my story, on my Instagram page, I have posted a different one,
It smells
which
good,
is
though.
proper like a cheesecake, and you can check that.
Yeah.
It's like a cookie dough.
Alright, we are going for it.
It's more like a cookie dough. You didn't like it at all.
Vahiyat.
It isn't that bad because I like sweet potato, so. But yeah, it's very, very much like sweet potato. Like there is no other taste, I would say.
It was more gooey.
Yeah, like
Aate ko kacha rag.
but it's still Indian sweet potato. So yeah, so I would rate because I like sweet potato. I think I'll still go with maybe 6.5.
Too much.
I'll go with 4.
Ting.
Alright, so,
So this
they
is one
obviously
of
don't
the-
like sweet potato, so.
No, but I think the one which we had in the bakery, sweet potato cake, on the very first day.
Because that was probably fresh, so yeah, that can be.
This
the case.
packet, please don't buy.
Yeah, please guys.
If you remember, I am not suggesting you to buy this.
Yeah, compared to the what we had
Yeah.
there, I think it was then I would like compare it, like maybe take it down to 5 because some over there is obviously fresh. So.
Chocolate strawberry mochi, like that is what I can see from the packet. I see you.
It's written in English, don't worry.
ये इसकी लेता रहता है यार।
और ये उसको सपोर्ट करते रहते हैं यार। दूसरा कभी नहीं।
किसी को सपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं, वो खुद ही करके मार लेती है।
For those who know, actually, you know it. That's like a top secret for the ones who don't know. To our new subscribers, meet Ayushi Jain.
Meet me.
You get to know more. I think this is matcha. I think this also we should have one, right? Okay, I'm just.
Oh, there are two in this, so that's.
So in one packet there are two, which I'm happy about because
I'll take a bite and then do the bite.
Alright.
I love the crunch. But
doesn't look like this girl is going to share it. I love the crunch, and she forgot that she promised me she'll give me, and she's like, मैं कैसे दूँ?
मैंने नहीं लिया.
नहीं चाहिए.
यार ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
So इसके अंदर
Too much matcha, I would say.
but this has a strawberry in
Inside
it.
it, but the taste is still a lot of
Matcha
But I don't
Yeah,
know
yeah,
how come
matcha is
the
very
strawberry
dominant.
is so crunchy. It's like
Yeah,
कड़क.
yeah.
Proper bite लेते ही आवाज आ रही है.
Strawberry is not really soggy, soft, but it's more
It's
crunchy.
super crunchy, like dried strawberry.
Dried strawberry, but the matcha is too much coated on top. So I think people who are not very okay with matcha like him, they won't like it.
Exactly. So
But
But
that's-
also you need to have a taste of
Matcha.
strawberry and matcha both. Yeah. So the matcha dominates this for sure.
I would rate 4.
I'm
I'll
okay
rate
with
6.5.
6.5.
Yeah, so basically
I'll tell you why,
pretty
because-
average.
So there is a little bit of thing that when you have chocolates directly like matcha, the substance of the powder is more. But when you have it with like a coffee or a milk, oat milk almond, it dilutes. So the taste is still better. But here you are directly getting like a more of the
Yeah,
powder.
probably.
Next time, I'll give her a hot milk with this matcha inside. She'll have strawberry, matcha, everything with,
But the matcha ice cream that I had there, oh
Yeah.
my god.
and sesame seed ice cream.
Yeah, but even matcha, sesame seeds, and so many ice creams. Oh my god. I have to go back. I already found a dessert shop here in Dubai.
I found such
For
dessert
pudding,
and I also
Japanese
found
pudding,
garlic
especially.
bread. That cheesy garlic bread that you guys showed me. She showed me. One of those Japanese cheesy garlic bread or something which has had white color and it has 6 pieces and when you pull it out it's all cheese. You showed it to me.
Ah, we had some
It's there in
cheese.
Dubai.
Ah,
I'm
we
gonna
had
go.
it. Yeah, you remember we had that cheese thing over there. It was
Yeah.
so hot.
See, I remember.
I remember it was hot and
Yeah, it was very hot, but it was
Yeah.
amazing. Yeah, true.
this looks interesting. I think this is more of a bite. No, crunchy bite.
Yeah, I think this is not sweet, so I
It's-
think
it
this
might
would be
not be
nice. Yeah,
But also, okay, I might be wrong, but they have a way to make it with hot water.
I think this is pasta.
Even I feel something like that.
Oh, right.
It is something
Oh,
mashed
no.
potatoes or something.
I think
so-
this is with something that you have with water or something. You can't have it directly, maybe.
It's like pasta, boiled water, put it and then.
Yeah, actually.
Potato sticks. It's mentioned potato sticks.
Okay, we are going to open. Take the disc.
Just open it and I think you can see it.
Yeah, if it's should we take it with water, then we'll have it later.
No, these are normal sticks which you can convert to potato. What do you call it? Mashed potatoes.
Oh no.
Ah, nice. Okay. Yeah, small and cute. I thought they might be long, but yeah.
So nice. But can we eat it?
These are normal potato sticks.
I like
Not
it.
bad.
They're
Pretty
doing
good.
And
Yeah.
after all these sweet snacks, I'm loving it.
Yeah.
Take one more. Reset your palate.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah.
We have more.
But I want to
sweets
try
coming.
that with water now because they have showed the.
But I think it's more of mashed potatoes, like the ready-made mashed potatoes. You just add hot water,
Okay.
a bit of butter, and you serve it.
Let's see. We can try. Yeah.
But the butter taste is coming, definitely. I don't get it. I can feel it.
It's
But
good
like-
though.
But it's
Very
very
good.
close to one thing. Tell me what?
Yeah. Good savory.
McDonald's fries. No?
Not really.
The aftertaste maybe.
The aftertaste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
Not
would
the
say
eating one, but the aftertaste.
the aftertaste. Yeah.
It is.
It is for sure.
the saltness and that buttermilk, I can feel it.
Yeah.
So this is a layered cake, okay? It has so many layers. And
Honey cake.
Uh,
Dubai honey cake, guys.
Not a
Yeah.
honey cake.
Okay.
No,
But
it's
I'll
not
just show it
made
to
for
you in-
honey for sure.
I really like
But
it.
these are the layer cake, I think.
So
They just have
they
one
have a lot
layer.
of layers on layers on layers, and then they basically form this cake.
Yeah.
So it looks like this, like lot of layers. If you see,
Small thin
small
layer.
small layers, thin
The
layers.
color is also so beautiful.
Nice.
What's the smell? Nice.
I personally loved it a lot.
It feels like it's very soft, is it?
Mm.
Like very, very soft or just soft?
Very very soft,
Now you can read. Go ahead.
and it melts in your mouth. Mm.
Oh my god.
Mm.
The last one.
And it's not very sweet.
It's not very
perfect.
dry?
Yeah.
Slightly dry. Slightly dry.
Yeah.
Yeah, mushroom chocolate. Like it looks like mushroom, but
It's not written anywhere. It's, I think, normal biscuit
and
with
there is
chocolate.
nothing
on top.
written in English, so this is gonna be fun.
50th anniversary. That's the only thing written.
Oh wow,
Alright.
Nice.
Meiji, मजा आने वाला है.
Majja to life.
मजा,
उसमें क्या गुजराती में क्या बोलेंगे?
Majja.
मजा, मजा.
अच्छा.
केम छो,
Bakura.
केम छो, मजा मा.
Bakura.
बकुड़ा. हाँ, there are many.
There are many.
Family से लोग हैं, छोटे-छोटे लोग हैं.
सब अपने washroom.
Oh my
Oh my God, ये क्या है? The fuck?
I really like the fact कि खाने के बाद वो
Cute.
These
Cutie.
are cutie.
Yes,
And
okay.
I am sorry.
ये मेरे को डॉग बिस्किट लग रहा है जिसके ऊपर चॉकलेट का ये डाला है. Technically, I hope it's dog biscuits now.
If you are from Japan and you feel like we are eating dog biscuits,
Let us know in the comments. But it will be too late.
it will be too late by the
अब खा
time.
लेते हैं, इतना क्या सोचना.
Someone's just got converted to her mom.
It's
But it's
actually good.
It's good.
It's nice, but
Yes.
it's honestly like you know खाया वो जो dip करके खाते हैं
Mm.
sticks.
Mm.
It's same.
Yeah, but it's good. I still liked it. Mm.
It's fine. It's
Also,
normal.
this
Like-
has a nice dark chocolate taste.
Yeah, that's true. I agree on that.
Mm.
So I really like it. I'm more of a dark chocolate person.
Mm.
But very mild, not that bitter.
Not that bitter.
Mild
I
one.
would. I actually like it. I would rate 7.5. Easy.
I'm okay with 7.
No, I'm okay with salmon. Yeah, it's decent good.
I have to go. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
And when you are going like away from there, arigato gozaimasu. And like my friends are local there, right? So they are like sus. Like you know, you have to say it fast so they feel that you are local. Sus. Like you know, like
you just
quick.
be like, sus. And okay, I'll tell you something. No need to say anything. Just bow and they'll be very happy about that.
Yeah. No, but it's fun. Like it's fun. Like to say konnichiwa.
And I'll be like Mr. Bean. Konnichiwa! Like on the face. Have you seen that?
Then
If I take her with me,
there was
they'll
this,
actually
there was
put
this
me out.
ramen place that I went to. So after end of the meal, like every one of them would shout arigato gozaimasu and all like in full volume. So even I was like arigato gozaimasu. They were also so happy, like you know, like someone was vibing with their thing. Very very amazing place.
It's plain box. But in Mr. Bean they used to do it. I was like, okay. And then like didn't have the दोनों के दोनों माथे पे थे.
Okay, guys. I
Oh,
don't
wow.
know. This is really like a
Okay.
jelly. It's really big.
I think we should have just one and we can get a spoon. How about that? Like, have you had this before?
No. Okay, this jelly
Alright.
looks delicious.
Oh,
Giggly
look
wiggly.
at how it's
It's
Yeah,
twerking.
really.
It's twerking now.
working. Let me. Oh, what the hell? It's what? Oh,
Sticky.
yeah. Okay.
Did you just get one
Guys,
spoon?
had mango sticky rice by chance over there?
In Japan?
Yeah.
Mango
Yeah.
sticky
Once.
rice is...
Which one was better, Thailand or Japan?
Mango sticky rice in Japan?
You guys had?
Manager had. I think Thailand.
How's it?
बचपन की याद आती है
Yeah.
कुछ
that jelly I don't know we used to get something like jelly cheese है ना जैसे छोटे से
एक रुपए की आती थी. उसको करके पी जाते हैं.
Ah, same.
Same, but in melon flavor.
Honestly, melon का इतना ना
Dominate नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं आ
नहीं आ
रहा.
रहा.
It's like more of artificial flavors.
Actually.
Yeah, so that is.
Obviously, the
But it's nice.
one melon over there generally costs around 200 dirhams over there. Where
Yeah, it
it's
was like
grown.
7,000, 10,000.
So इधर
yen.
तो
That's too much.
इधर तो
But they have the logic that we have invested a lot of our time into it. Plus the patterns on musk
Each
melon.
melon
Each
is
melon
different.
is
Yeah,
different. Yeah,
I've
they
heard
have a
that.
unique pattern.
Yeah, I've heard that.
So I
So-
think they justify the price,
Yeah.
which is good. And to be very frank, if you have something made up of melon in Hokkaido, you are never going to get disappointed. But the packaged have their own pros and cons. So
True.
no, but this was the first melon thing which I was say it's okay
excited.
It's nice.
yeah.
It's decent.
compared to all the other melon snacks and sweets and whatever we had. Yeah, but it's not bad actually. Still,
It's good. It's decent.
Like compared to the jelly that we used to have, it's much better. Yeah.
That was
वो
pricey.
1 रुपए की थी. एक तरफ से भी नहीं आ रही है वो.
अभी तो इन्फ्लेशन में 10 रुपए का हो गया रहेगा फॉर श्योर.
5 रुपए का होगा I feel. Guys, ये भी आप पता करके बताइए.
और इफ यू नो कमेंट पे बताइए.
Comment में बताइए. Next, we are going to go with cheesecake. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay.
Alrighty.
चीज की 2 हफ्ते का खाना चाहिए guys.
These are packets, of course. You can look at the packet. It says cheesecake.
No, this is
Kuromami.
Kuromami.
It says kuromame cheesecake.
Kuromami
Is it the red beans taste or something? I don't know.
I feel looking at these beets, I feel it's red bean.
Yeah, they have everything
Okay,
made
so
of red.
there's
beans.
one thing about Japan, like the packets what we are recently seeing, they have white boxes and on top they have this cover.
Their own branding.
I think they've done their own branding and printing.
So from inside the box is literally like plain. And I'm not really very good at
Good,
opening
they're
boxes.
saving on branding. Again, packets. Obsessed with packets.
Yes, small packets. Ooh.
We will again open just one. Please.
Obviously.
We
We're
just
done.
opened one.
हमारी हालत टाइट हो चुकी है.
And I think it's blueberry inside.
Oh, yeah.
Is
maybe.
It's cheesecake with blueberry.
I think it's a baked one.
Is it?
Alright, let's
Let's see.
do this.
Next
Let's
time if we are
do
doing a
this.
food blog, I think we'll prefer doing it in the lunchtime or morning so
And
that
split into.
and split into. Okay. Thank you so much guys for
It's what
coming
is it?
here.
I thought it's like that thing what we put in
I-
Faluda. क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Tutti frutti.
Tutti Frutti. But it's not that.
It's
I think
blueberry I told
fruits
you.
and blueberries.
I don't know. Maybe it's raisin.
It feels like a normal sponge cake. Like by the texture, I'm not sure.
Okay, it has raisin. So
Oh, that's raisin, right? Maybe, I don't know. Let's try and see.
Yeah. So cute.
Oh, yeah, this is actually just like a sponge cake, I would say.
The smell is weird. The smell is weird, but the taste is fine.
and again it's a bit dry.
But if you guys want to have it,
Thank you.
I really love opening gifts like this.
अभी साफ करेगी बैठ के ये सारा.
It's very similar to that.
But it has smaller bites I feel.
Yeah.
The other one had
Again,
bigger.
just one packet, please. We're done.
This lady, she was so excited. Yes, Japan snacks खाएंगे मुझे लेकर नहीं गए. At least I can eat. And now look at her.
I swear.
It's more of like mochi if you show me.
Non-mochi, I tell you.
Naan
Arabic
खटाई
sweets.
जैसे types कुछ.
Arabic sweets जिसके अंदर वो खजूर होता है. खजूर का पेस्ट.
Ah, yeah.
Telling you
See
guys,
those.
मतलब हर चीज का
It looks
इतना
like
अच्छा
that,
difference
but we
बताया.
don't know the taste. Like, let's see.
Yeah.
Alright, it has something different inside.
I said it right, no?
Or yours,
we
baby.
have forgot to rate each and everything.
Yeah, it's okay. So we've rated some things, we have not rated some things.
This is
because
what
we
happens.
forgot about that.
But honestly, I like it.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's like halwa.
And it's a bit
Suji ka.
sweet. So it says triangle waffle,
I think it's normal wafer one. No?
Yeah, wafer with.
but it
sweet
has
potato.
chocolate inside.
Alright.
Nice. ये तो एक more than enough है. It's too much.
Size बड़ा है.
Comment, like, and tell what more videos you want to see of us together.
If you
Oh
like
wow!
it.
It has coffee.
It is.
Yeah.
Someone is very
All
loud.
right. Let's do this.
Yeah, we had to eat together. Look at this guy.
So,
You can't control, you know, when you have it in your hand. Yeah.
it has coffee.
So it doesn't have melted chocolate inside. What I thought, as per the.
I think it's a chocolate
Box,
coffee
but,
wafer with.
Mhm.
और मैंने ये भी खा रखा है इंडिया में.
But this is not something usual. I have not
I've
had
had
this.
this.
I have not
Okay.
had
I
this.
have this wafer.
So the outer one is very soft. The waffle.
Nice.
It's very soft and it's very nice.
Yeah.
And inside you get that strong coffee flavor.
But I really like the coffee flavor.
That dominates and it
Because of coffee, I'll give it 8.5.
Same. No, I would actually give 9. I really liked it.
9.
Yeah. It's nice. But the
Really
aftertaste,
Aftertaste, yeah, 9.
the aftertaste is a bit sticky.
That's because of the waffle they have. But it's very soft and
It's
like
very soft, yeah.
Yeah.
it just melts in your mouth. Like.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, that's all for this video. If you've not followed, subscribe, do that, and in the comments tell us what more you want to see.
Please guys, please do.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.